History meets technology. Tourists visiting Taj Mahal will now be able to upload selfies or photographs clicked with their loved ones directly from the 17th century monument of eternal love. This became possible on Tuesday afternoon as Telecom and IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad launched the free Wi-Fi internet facility at the historic Mughal Mausoleum.
वहाँ ताज से वाईफाई ताज की जो यात्रा है वो भारत की तकनीक और भारत के इतिहास, भारत की परंपरा और भारत के अन्वेषण, भारत का पर्यटन और भारत के भविष्य, इन दोनों का मिलन है.
Visitors at the Taj Mahal will get free internet facility across its sprawling campus for the first 30 minutes. Any browsing or usage like downloading, surfing after this period would invite charges at ₹30 an hour. The Archaeological Survey of India has collaborated with BSNL for the service. Future plans include introducing Wi-Fi at the Fatehpur Sikri complex. The Agra Cant railway station is already Wi-Fi enabled. The initiative by the government will make Agra a much more tourist-friendly city. The project is part of Narendra Modi-led government's initiative to provide Wi-Fi hotspots in cities with a population of over 10 lakh, especially in tourist centers, under the Digital India program.
तकनीक से माध्यम से आम आदमी का प्रयोग कैसे हम कर सकते हैं? डिजिटल इंडिया इस देश में वो आर्किटेक्चर खड़ा करता है, हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं. इस देश के 2.5 लाख ग्राम पंचायतों को हम ऑप्टिकल फाइबर से जोड़ रहे हैं, भारतनेट के माध्यम से. और यहां मैं आगरा के गुणीजनों को बताना चाहता हूं कि डिजिटल इंडिया ये राजनीति निरपेक्ष है, ये दल निरपेक्ष है, ये विचारधारा निरपेक्ष है, ये केंद्र राज्य निरपेक्ष है, ये सिर्फ सापेक्ष है भारत के लिए और भारत के विकास के लिए.
The ASI has identified 25 tourist spots where Wi-Fi will be implemented, which include Humayun's Tomb, Red Fort, Qutub Complex in Delhi, Fatehpur Sikri, Shravasti and Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh, Leh Palace in Jammu and Kashmir, Konark Temple in Odisha, Khajuraho and Mandu in Madhya Pradesh. One of the wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal is a major draw for tourists across the world. Millions of domestic and foreign tourists visit the Taj Mahal, built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. It took 21 years to build Taj Mahal and the project employed around 20,000 artisans. It is Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision to transform India and create opportunities for all citizens by harnessing digital technologies, connecting hearts and minds as well as empowering all with the access to digital services, knowledge and information. This is the ultimate goal. And the icing on the cake is putting tourist destinations like the Taj Mahal on the digital map, making them even more attractive to the global traveler. Rajesh Raj report, DD News, Agra.